Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? Welcome to my video featuring the hero sword, Red Wakizashi. Yes, that sword you see there. So there is a close-up of it for you. You can see how they've done the handle, the guard, the wrap. This has a large fuller, and it has a really attractive appearance. All right, red Damascus they are saying. And you can see the slicing, piercing tip of the Japanese sword. So in this video, we are just going to do some fun backyard cutting with this sword, my newest acquisition. Now this comes with a wood saya, you see there, which is nicely lacquered, right? The saya being the scabbard of the Japanese sword. There's another flyby for you. Right, yeah, so it's a pretty nice sword overall. Here are the stats on the sword. The sword is sold as Red Damascus Wakizashi. The seller is Hero Sword on US Amazon. The blade length is 19.7 inches. The overall length 30.7 inches. It comes with a wood saya, which has a nice lacquered finish. Without the saya, it is 1.75 pounds. I believe that the steel is 1060 carbon steel. That's just my personal belief based on experience. The HRC is 58. And the price was $130. I will include a link for US Amazon. Alright, got a pineapple here. There you go. Alright, another pineapple. There you go. Good eats. All right, that was fun. I hope you enjoyed that. So what are my final thoughts on this sword? Well, I will say it does have a very attractive appearance. I like that. It's not the least expensive sword, but it's certainly not the most expensive sword either. The least expensive Wakizashis I've reviewed have been maybe $50 or $60. Or you could get the cold steel Wakizashi machete, right? But the most expensive Wakizashis out there, I mean, $200, $300 and more. So this would be mid-range. That would be the category we are in. So within that category, is this a nice mid-ranged Wakizashi? Well, I would say yes. Yeah, I like it for the price point, right? Now, how sharp did it come? Well, it did not come shaving sharp, but it is certainly sharp enough for fleshy targets, right? Did you know, like an adult human is about 60% water, right? So a pulpy, fleshy, watery target like a pineapple is not a bad simulator. It doesn't have bones in it, but I know from more gruesome tests that I've seen that a Japanese sword will actually go right through a vertebrae. So yeah, I like the sword. I hope you enjoyed seeing it. This has been the We All Juggle Knives channel. Check out the links below and leave a comment if you are into swords. I'm out.